update their contact information, do a mini review, educate them, find out their kids' names and document them. So next time they call, it's, how's Sally? How's she doing in math? These are the things that make customers less anxious about their insurance. All right, so I love this question about what are 5 strategies you can use to boost retention. I like to think of retention as the short and the long game, right? There's things that we can do right now that stop the bleeding, and then there's long-term strategies that we can do to keep elevating retention. So your first step is to stop the bleeding. Think of this as the EMT, the ER doctor. We need to get going on this. So the first step is having a clear process that is trained on when someone calls in to cancel, what do we do? Same thing if somebody contacts the carrier or at renewal has not paid, and that's how we learn. We need to make sure, 1, it gets in the hands of the best people. 2, it's scripted out. 3, our biggest strategy is that we need to go ahead and ensure that we don't get into the mindset that, oh, they've already bound coverage somewhere else, right? We want to be able to save them. So when they come in, it's a wow experience. So that's step 1. The second thing that we need to do is have very, very, very clear agency standards, right? Who are we not welcoming? Who do we want to keep going? Who do we want to ensure that, at the end of the day, we can focus our time on the right people? Because this is a huge challenge that we see, to be completely upfront. We spend so much time on the wrong things, and that's not a great situation, right? The next one we always have is wow customer service. So when we delight our customers, we don't just transact, but we literally update their contact information, do a mini review, educate them, find out their kids' names and document them. So next time they call, it's, how's Sally? How's she doing in math? These are the things that make customers less anxious about their insurance. And I stress this to people, and I still think people don't understand how critical this really is. So the wow customer service, we actually have wow customer service training that you can engage in. We'd love to have you. But then the long-term strategy, to me, the 2 biggest things are client nurturing. So keeping your name in front of your customers. These are email blasts, cards, birthdays, anything that just keeps your name in front of there. Remember, in today's world, we sell over the phone for the most part, and then EFT just takes the money. So it's very easy for after a couple of years for that relationship to fall flat because we're not showing them the love. If at least they're engaging and seeing our name, they can remember us, they reach out to us first. The holy grail is renewal reviews. Getting the renewal reviews going can seem impossible to agencies, but it is not. I am here to tell you that. It is the number 1 driver that you will have long-term retention. In fact, the agencies that are at 94, 95, 96% retention are all doing renewal reviews and have done them for years consistently. So if you want to maintain your retention, getting proactive is a key strategy. And don't worry, we're here to be your best friend through it. If your team needs help with this is a whole program we can help install in your agency. We'll see you soon.